What are you doing, TCs? Are you just sleeping in your pet carrier? Is that what you're doing? Having an afternoon nap? Do you want some chin scratches? Oh my. How you feeling? How you feeling, TC? I know. Have you just been taking it easy? Have you? Noms? Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, obviously, you can tell by title and such, it is time for a change. Since I started my YouTube channel, I used the name Bullshit Corner. In the beginning, I had no idea that I was going to be making videos on YouTube, at least to the extent that I am now. In the beginning, I just created an account and just posted random crap and never really expected it to go anywhere, but I guess over the years, people started following, people started watching, and the name no longer suits the direction that I'm going. That is why I'm changing the name to Backcountry Wrenching, because it involves two of my most passionate things I like doing. As you guys know, I like working on vehicles, and I also love being in the outdoors, which is a huge part of my life at the moment. I've always enjoyed being outdoors ever since I moved out to Calgary when I was about 20 years old. Been in love with the mountains, just the amazing views, just getting out, traveling, exploring, checking out so many different things. And I've been glad along the way that I found people that enjoy the same things that I do, and met some friends off YouTube and Instagram over the years that I've also enjoyed doing things with. So social media has been a great platform for that. But like I said, the name Bullshit Corner doesn't really suit the channel anymore. And I'm sorry if some people don't like the idea that I'm changing it, but I am changing it for being more suitable to where my channel is and what I'm doing. I don't think the channel is going to change too much from anything that's being done. Of course, you know, there's a few more things in the JK I want to do. And then obviously, I got the TJ I got to finish off and get it on 35s. But after that, there probably isn't going to be too much wrenching anymore. Unless something breaks down, something needs to be modified. So probably going to have, you know, turning wrenching videos for at least another year. But after that, I can't really tell you what's going to happen, because once, I hate to say it, but once Tomcat passes away, which I suspect will probably be within the next year or two at the most, I'm definitely going to spend all my time traveling away, because right now I can only get away for like 2 days max, because Tomcat suffers from separation anxiety, and with his healthcare issues, it kind of not really good for his health. So 2 days is like the max I can get away. But in the future, once he's passed on, gone over the Rainbow Bridge, I plan on disappearing for like 3 days at a time, 4 days at a time, even longer, exploring out farther. I want to head back up to the Yukon. I want to go to Alaska. I want to go to Northwest Territories, and a whole bunch of stuff like that. And of course, as you get older, the less you probably want to be crawling underneath vehicles and turning wrenches. So for my next vehicle, after all these are done, I don't know which one I'm going to get rid of. If I'm going to keep the Jetta, get rid of the TJ. But eventually I want to get either a Gladiator, and then get like a rooftop tent box / combo, or even just get a pickup truck and get one of those pop-up foldable campers in the back that has like your heater, fridge, and all that stuff. Because you guys know, once you get older, you don't want to be crawling around on the ground. You just want to make your life comfortable. You know what I'm saying? That being said, it's motherfucking beer time. Maybe now I might start looking at getting some merch and stuff. You never know what's going to happen in the future. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching this short video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cold beer always tastes good. As I got a hole in my lip and it's going down my chin.